Here I have HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. So by tapping on it once you can switch battery saver. By holding a finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for it based on percentage. So like at 20% battery, power saving mode will be enabled automatically. And you can also set it to turn off when your device is up to 19% charged. So yeah, quite useful feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.